What is psychology? Psychology is a captivating field that delves into the complexities of human behavior, cognition, and emotions. Broad scope of psychology. The field of psychology encompasses a broad scope, covering various subfields and specializations that explore different aspects of human behavior, cognition, and mental processes. Here's some information about the broad scope of psychology. Clinical psychology. Clinical psychology focuses on assessing, diagnosing, and treating mental health disorders. Clinical psychologists work with individuals experiencing psychological distress, providing therapy, counseling, and interventions to improve their well-being. Cognitive psychology. Cognitive psychology investigates mental processes such as attention, memory, perception, language, problem-solving, and decision-making. Cognitive psychologists study how people acquire, process, store, and use information, aiming to understand the underlying cognitive mechanisms. Social psychology. Social psychology explores how individuals' thoughts, feelings, and behaviors are influenced by social factors. It examines topics such as social perception, attitudes, conformity, obedience, group dynamics, interpersonal relationships, and the impact of cultural and societal influences on behavior. Developmental psychology. Developmental psychology examines human development across the lifespan, from infancy to old age. It investigates the physical, cognitive, emotional, and social changes that occur as individuals grow and age, studying topics such as child development, adolescence, adulthood, and aging. Educational psychology. Educational psychology focuses on understanding how individuals learn and develop within educational settings. It explores topics such as learning theories, motivation, instructional design, assessment, and the psychological factors that influence educational outcomes. Industrial, organizational, I/O, psychology. I/O psychology applies psychological principles to the workplace, studying topics such as employee motivation, job satisfaction, leadership, organizational behavior, teamwork, and work-life balance. I/O psychologists aim to enhance productivity, well-being, and job satisfaction within organizational settings. Forensic psychology. Forensic psychology applies psychological principles and research methods to the legal and criminal justice systems. Forensic psychologists assess and provide expert testimony on individuals involved in legal cases, evaluate witness credibility, conduct offender profiling, and contribute to the rehabilitation of offenders. Health psychology. Health psychology focuses on the interaction between psychological factors and physical health. Health psychologists study how psychological factors influence health behaviors, illness prevention, treatment adherence, and the adjustment to chronic illnesses. Neuropsychology. Neuropsychology explores the relationship between brain functioning and behavior. It investigates how brain injuries, diseases, or abnormalities impact cognitive processes, emotions, and behaviors, utilizing assessments and tests to understand the cognitive functioning of individuals with neurological conditions. Research and experimental psychology. Research and experimental psychology involve conducting scientific studies to expand knowledge in various areas of psychology. Researchers utilize experimental designs, surveys, observations, and statistical analyses to investigate psychological phenomena, test hypotheses, and contribute to the advancement of the field. These are just a few examples of the diverse subfields within psychology. Each specialization within psychology focuses on specific areas of study, employing various research methods and techniques to explore different aspects of human behavior, cognition, and mental processes.